Hello, my beautiful subscribers. Guess what? I just discovered a brand new way to get to first 4,000 watch hour in no time. Like this trick is working. Like you need to jump on this trend right now. Now, the good thing about this is you'll be using your Google Chrome and your YouTube app itself. Like you don't have to use Restream and the rest of them. You'll be using YouTube app. Now let's head over to Google Chrome while I show you how to do this. And if this is your first time of watching this video, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Now head over to your Google Chrome and
Okay, let's head over to Google Chrome. Now, search for YouTube silent live screen. Now, search, click on image. You have a lot of image to use as thumbnail here. You have a lot of them. Which one will I go for? Which one will I go for? Silent live screen. Let's go for this. Wow. Okay, this has a name on it. You can't use that. Let's check this. I think this is okay, or this. Okay, screenshot this. Good. Now crop crop it, crop this for one. Good. Save. Now head over to search bar again and search for a good eye-catching photo to use. Maybe flower or anything. In this tutorial, let's use a flower. Free video. Okay, let's click here, click on this image, open. My network is a bit slow. Let's go back. Look at a lot of flowers here. More. Okay, let's go with this. Click here and screenshot this again. Good, good, good. Now save. Once you are done with this, head over to your YouTube. Yes, this is my personal account. You can see the name here. Okay, click on this plus icon here. Okay, now we're about to go live. Here you will performing the real magic. Now click on this barrel icon here to edit your thumbnail. Click this particular one, then upload thumbnail. Click here. Now click on this silent live stream we screenshotted there. Save. Come over to this place. Clear off this part and type in join my silent live stream. Your visibility, make sure it's on public. Do not click on listed, click public. Go back. Then another important part, very important, audience. Make sure you set it to no. It not make for kicks. Go back. Now description, you can add please join my silent live stream. National diet sleep. Do well to like, subscribe, and watch. Thank you. Now you go back. From here you go live. Click go live. Okay. Good. 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 Now from here we'll be making use of this green screen. Click on it. Now we'll be making use of this flower. Click on the flower here. As you can see, the background is no longer there. Now it's the flower that is now showing. Click done. From here you can just keep your phone and let it, make sure, yes, make sure your mic is mute. Mute your mic. Don't forget to mute your mic. Mute your mic here. Just mute it. Then you can just drop your phone. Just drop your phone somewhere else. Just drop it, because you can't actually stay with your phone for hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours. You just drop it, but make sure your mic is mute. Then you just leave it for about 1 hours, 2 hours, but make sure your silent live stream does not exceed 10 hours. Make sure it does not exceed 9 hours. Once it's 8 hours, you end that live streaming and start again the next day. So guys, that's it. With this method you'll be able to get to 4,000 watch hour in no time, like 1 week, 2 weeks. You get your 4,000 watch hour and get monetized and start making money on YouTube. That's it guys.